Hey y'all, Selvage Knife and Tool here. Just thought I'd do a quick comparison to the Sylvan Arms AR hinge version 1, which is on my 300 Blackout, versus the version 2 that they came out with. They made a couple of improvements, and I think they're worth noting. So, the only issue I had with the Gen 1 when I installed it is it came supplied with an aluminum castle nut, and when I was torquing to spec, it sheared off just a little bit right here. So, I mean, I can probably get it off, but it'll never be usable again. So and then on the Gen 2 they improved that, and now it comes with a steel castle nut. I mean, the rest of it is, I believe it's 775 CNC machined aluminum, which I believe the Gen 1 is made of the same material. But besides the steel castle nut that it comes with it now, the other major difference I noticed is in the size of the hinges. I mean, that's it's full ½ inch or more better in size, so it's a lot sturdier. Now, you can't fire these with the stock folded. I mean, which understandably there's no way for the weapon to cycle, and they recommend throwing it out if you do that, probably because it puts so much undue stress on a lot of parts. But it is significantly beefier. They also cambered some of the edges on the Gen 2. So I'm excited. I think I'm going to install this on a 5.56, maybe my SIG M400 or Ruger SR 7.62. We'll see. I believe they also extended this. I think that's a little bit longer. But for a piece of equipment that honestly worked fine the way it was, you know, the couple of things that they could improve, I think they really did a spectacular job. So go ahead, check them out, sylvanarms.com. I know a lot of the local shops carry them. They're manufactured in Royal Beach, and but I believe some of their stuff is available online, you know, nationwide. Just something to consider. I originally purchased the Gen 1 because of the price compared to some of the other ones that were available at the time. This Gen 2 is now comparable in price to the other ones. However, from what I've seen, it's a bit more robust, which makes me happy because I break things. So, just food for thought if you're considering, you know, collapsing your AR stock to side folding. Thanks.